Also, country music star Carrie Underwood is scolding Tennessee lawmakers after the House passed the controversial Ag Gag bill. The bill requires anyone taking photos or videos of animal abuse to turn the material over to law enforcement within 48 hours. Critics charge the bill aims to deter groups like the Humane Society from carrying out long-term investigations of abuse. Underwood tweeted to her followers, quote, "Shame on Tennessee lawmakers for passing the Ag Gag bill. If Governor Bill Haslam signs this, he needs to expect me at his front door. Who's with me?"